This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check iOS update level and that your Apple ID is signed into iCloud. Once done, make sure Siri is enabled in settings and the microphone works by recording a quick memo. If you recently installed apps or profiles, take note because they can alter permissions. Restart the device now to clear transient faults. This often resolves handshake issues. Make sure your network is stable. Siri relies on either cellular or Wi-Fi for advanced intelligence features. Next, focus on permissions and deeper settings. You should toggle Siri off and on to refresh its service. Meanwhile, force stop or update apps that request speech recognition. Then inspect microphone and speech recognition permissions per app so nothing is blocking audio access. Run Siri voice training or re-listen to improve recognition accuracy. If problems persist, review diagnostics and privacy logs in settings to identify repeated errors. These steps reveal why Siri misinterprets input or fails to invoke the intelligence layer. Finally, apply advanced remedies. Reset network settings to clear corrupt configurations, and if that fails, perform a reset all settings which preserves data but refreshes system behavior. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in to reinitialize Siri profiles. As a last resort, backup and reinstall iOS to eliminate firmware-level faults. If you hit trouble, make sure to try safe mode or test on a secondary account first. This isolates the issue and prevents unnecessary full restores, saving time and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.